Hello everyone, welcome to Lingoland. In our Spanish for Beginners series, today we are diving into an essential aspect of the Spanish language, question words, or as they are known in Spanish, interrogativos. Understanding these words is key to asking and comprehending questions. So let's get started. The questions are called as las preguntas. First up, we have the most basic question word, ¿qué? It means what in English. So when you want to ask, what are you doing? You would say, ¿qué haces? ¿Qué haces? Moving on, we have quién, which means who. To ask, who is she? You'd say, ¿quién es ella? Please note that in case of plural, we would use quiénes. Now let's talk about cuándo, meaning when. For instance, ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Translates to, when is your birthday? Great! Now let's explore dónde, meaning where. So to ask, where is the supermarket? It will be, ¿dónde está el supermercado? Buen trabajo, amigos! Good job, friends! We are not done yet. Next up is por qué, which means why. If you want to ask, why are you crying? You will say, ¿por qué estás llorando? Fantastic progress, everyone! Next up is cómo. Cómo means how. If you want to ask, how are you? You will say, ¿cómo estás? Next up is cuánto or cuánta, which means how much. If you want to ask, how much does this cost? You will say, ¿cuánto cuesta esto? Now let's talk about how many. The question word is ¿cuántos o cuántas? ¿Cuántas personas vienen? How many people are coming? Great job, guys! The last one is ¿cuál o cuáles, which means which. If you want to say which one do you prefer, you would say ¿cuál prefieres? Muy bien! You've just unlocked the power of Spanish question words. Practice using them and you'll be asking questions like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe for more Spanish lessons. Hasta luego!